go to the Tools panel in Affinity Photo and select Rectangular Marquee or one of the other ones, and just quickly create a selection. Now I want to modify this and use it as a deformed or blurred selection. Well, how to do that? Well, you can't just go up here to filters. You can obviously apply it, but that will apply to the image. So what you can do, you can go to select and edit selection as layer. So edit selection as layer. And now you can see you've got this lovely design here, and you can then modify it. So filters, blur, Gaussian blur. And you can see straight away you've got that nice blur there. You can modify the radius. You can also apply various filters such as distort and deform. So you can deform it. So I'm just going to add some quick handles around there. And again, bring that up there. Not that there's many controls. You can change the master, etc. But you can now distort this design and just drag this in, drag that out, drag that up there, and so on. So you can distort it in all kinds of ways. Now, you can get back by just going over here. You, of course, probably can do it other ways, but this is the way I do it. Just click there, back to the back, and you've now got your slightly distorted, slightly blurred, feathered selection, which you can now use. So you can go over here to select and invert selection, and now apply the filters, such as filters, blur, Gaussian blur, and you can see it blurred there, and click apply. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.